Hi, Victor. Hello, Marcos. Hello. What up, gamer? Let me just post. Hey. Anything. Hope I blurred it. Nah, it's okay. Oh my god. Got him. There you go. Hey. Alright, tracker. No, I have a couple things I can do here. No. Okay, I'm gonna do with the monkeys real quick. Ugh. Alright, I'm just gonna go to the bathroom and then I'm going to do things. 1 sec. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Ugh. Okay. Here I am, gamers. Sorry. Set a buff real quick. Brother. Hi, Sapphire Cat. Welcome in, everybody. It's time to game. Sorry. Oh, hi there. It is time, TMS. I also saw that the race is already over. But I mean, that makes sense. They took slightly longer than last time. That is crazy, yeah. 85 year streak, crazy. Does that mean Zav crazy? Does that mean I'm crazy? I might be crazy. I'm gonna check in here real quick and then I'm gonna go back into Twilight Princess. Yes, got a tattoo yesterday. Let's go. Remind me again what the tattoo was? Both, yeah. See ya. Oh yeah. Man, I bet that looks awesome. Pouring out. I need to move this actually. Oh, the great remember. The best I got was when my dog passed. I made him a tier 3 emote. Where is it? Doggy. No, you don't have to use the tier 3 emote per se. We just like to have him there. Aw. I was like, I don't know. This is all they think of for now. Oh. Wait, so Chunk gets 2 blueprints? Doggy. Well, it was a good. It was a good time. I'm happy we gave him the life we did. It was either that or if we didn't visit that fateful day, he was kaput. Because that was the first time I had a dog instead of asthma. It's still kind of wild, but you know. Hell yeah, oh my god, the design is sick. Yes. Man, but they did an awesome job with that, holy cow. It's like someone, oh, okay. Hell yeah. It's like they almost pop out. Oh, shop, nice, dude. That's so cool. Wait. Oh yeah, shout's a good shout's tattoo artists. Shout out to artists in general. We're gonna have to make 3-hour drive. Damn. Well, drive is certainly worth it. I want to get a tattoo too. You know, Jack has this really nice tattoo on the thigh. Oh, and move! Hey, more stuff to do. Yeah, Jack's leg tattoos of Heidelin for a lot of Elpis flowers. Really awesome design. And she actually got Yoshi P and I think Chuck Koji to sign it. I think Foxconn signed it too, I'm not 100%, but she got the signature tattooed as well. She said the guy did not tattoo the signature, but it is what it is. Yeah. She got it tattooed after we finished Endwalker. Let me find the blue bananas. Oh shit. Oops. Hopla. Move. I know, I'm making a check. Alright, what's in here? Ow! Oh, me? Wait, is there another one? What's the same one? Uh-oh. Is that Sam? Oh, same one. Okay, I'm like, wait, no, oh my god. Who made another one? God. This is the new year where I'm getting gifts of me, I guess. Oh, Jesus, so yay. Hi, I'm Sam, yep. I know, we know. He's back after... I haven't seen him since last year. Let me guess. New year, same Sam. Do we play... Well, pull up the command. Some pull up the command. I don't want to say it all. I'm lazy. Oh, give me the damn thing. That's what I said. No, you're just copying me again. Never mind. Bitch. Banging road, okay. Oh, that's banana. Gold bananas are worthless. Oh god, is he delayed? Check this already. What the fuck? I did. Oh, you have these bananas? Yay. Alright, well, anyway. This Savage show looks kinda awesome. I've been trying to follow the Savage. Oh, I think the race is already done. I think it took longer than last time. What about the Savage this time? I don't know. I'm thinking about it. Oh, this is very fitting. I'm pissed, are you for real? Five-door igloo and five-door again. Oh yeah, I can't do the igloo because of the strong Kong. I forgot I had bongo. When did I get bongos? Did I always have these? I did. Never mind. Where's the entrance? Hello? There you go. Bruh. Five-door cabin, not this one. So turn around, dickhead. Excuse me. What? Ow. There you go. Man, why do I get garbage? Oh. Factory is where? 5. Where's anything? Here? Oh, I need to go this way. Like, where's the drop point? Move. Oh. I was like, oh, I can shoot those. I think there's a banana in the fairy room as well. Hey! What many attic bombs I have now? Oh yeah. Pressure room, what the fuck is that? In here? Pressure room. Frantic factory. Hold on. Oh, okay. I can go in there, okay. Don't you love the DDoS thing? God. I've been seeing it got significantly worse once they dropped the Savage tier. I'm like, bruh. My God. What is going on, dude? What the fuck's going on, dude? I don't have basin yet, so. Your mom? Oh. Hi, Evan. See ya. Which testing is he talking about? Yellow. Don't hit me. Pain my skin. No, no. Don't start. Don't need to summon him too. What's in here? What is in here?
Baboon. Balloon.
Sorry, what now? One of my schizzos on YouTube was asking me to paint his skin yellow. Bruh. Well done. I guess I do. I don't know what it is. I mean, it's everywhere.
Okay.
Gee. Who knows? Okay, well, that was a short trip. Hi, Tinky. Yoda. Damn, I'm going to TP now. Today a cock and ball music day. Yeah, you did. I was like, Gamer won so much money last night, but he wasn't here. But now you're here. Now you're here and you've woke up to your gains. Remember the addiction, kids? You're right. So, I want you guys to be careful because do not gamble. So if gambling is an addiction, do not put points into this. But also, immediately someone. I'm missing health. What the fuck? Oh shit. It was. Was it good though? entertaining. Okay. So maybe I can make a ROM with like a good definitive set of custom maps so we like roller coaster emotions. I'm like, damn, they're like possessing items because they think it's illegal. I'm like, this is crazy, dude. That's it? Oh, well, I was in here before. Oh, I'll take 100. Okay, what to do? Let's still go in there, and then I have to go up. We have to check that's like up, super up above real quick, and then I need to go into the desert. There's a shit ton of stuff in the desert. Well, Walu Dickhead didn't even win, so... Fuck. No, wait. I'm not ready? Okay, we're good. Jesus. What? Oh, shiny one. Yeah, how's it there? Cool. I am not close enough. Pull a banana. What? Oh. Bruh. Let's grab this thing. Thank you. What the fucking forever? 69. Who put 69 points down? Shockwave. Okay, that's a big move. Still haven't checked the fucking Nairo area yet. Well, I was supposed to work. We just had the song. What the hell? Huh. It's having it a different way now. Nairo. Need the field. There you go. Oh. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Time to kill spiders. Okay. Oh god, there's fucking 2 behind me. Fuck. Hey, look out! Bitch. Fucking spider fuck. This song is fitting for this. Where's the lantern at? Oh. Please? Please? A power star? Okay. Oh, that's Poe Grotto. That's alright. Two Poes in here. Oh! Please stop grabbing bullshit. Mother. Oh shit. We're lawn mowing. Just collecting some little bitties. Now we're looking at Twinkle LARPs. Yeah, he's just a new outfit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. What up, Elijah?
Gorilla.
Chava came in here the other day too. No, I didn't. And it was always that, obviously. I'm up here real quick so I can heal. We have the ice first. Yeah. Yeah, I did. It was like, dude, he's like, dude, you're doing the dub speedrun? I'm like, huh? There's something along those lines. I'm like, damn. It's content or it's HR. Nice. Ugh. Well, you can import it to our content too. Okay. I'm gonna check. Go here and get all those posts from the ice area. Pick out your hair. What you trying to do with your hair? Good morning after depending on location. Hey, it's a morning somewhere. Okay. Well, I can survive falling into water. I also have a free res because I have the fairy still. I have not lost my fairy yet. Ah, yeah. My hair's so annoying to take care of. I almost want to go bald. Let's keep it short. As short as I can. If it gets long because I get lazy. What? Fucking dog. Mm-hmm. Oh. Don't get away from me. Oh. Brother. I have fruit punch if I... What? Well, I need the fruit punch because I got cheated. I don't lose my fairy. With some random BS. Your Durag is somewhere. Dude, please cooperate, you fucking dog. Dude, I'm getting my ass killed because the dog refuses to jump at him. Brother. Ugh. Oh my god. Get the fuck out of here. What the fuck, bro? I hate playing as a goddamn wolf, dude. Always shenanigans. Yeah, happy to help. It's in the building. Fuck, dude. Oh, among the trees. Bruh. Okay. Where am I going? Where's the Poe at? Fuck. That's true. Oh, Poe is not around because it's daytime. Bullshit. Oh my god, that was so annoying. I'm not starting Snow Peak right now. I mean, I could. No reason not to, but there's also no reason to. Fuck ass wolf. I'm taking my time. Let me heal. Fuck it. I'll be fine with the potion, surely. Famous last words. Okay, there's a lot of checks in the desert. No, fuck you! Brother, oh my god. Thank you. God damn! It's almost this entire desert screen, almost. Go to the grotto? Yeah. My money, let's go! It's like there's so much fucking green in this desert. Oh god. There's more spiders than your last time. Bruh. Yeah. Okay. Elijah, I'm sorry in advance, by the way. I'm killing these in your name, Elijah. Fuck them. Bitch. Okay, they're gone. It's safe. I don't know, but they're dead. Fuck ass spiders. I don't need more money. Yeah. Well, that's okay. You don't have to witness most of it. I don't know. He had ledge. This one. A tent? Oh. Bitch. Huh. I don't need to change the time of day yet. Fuck. With the pig. Ah! How many of these suckers are there? Bitch. Go, go, go! Clean tighten. I don't need space still, do I? Flubra's busting. Okay. There's a P hat here, I think. There is. Oh. I don't think I need it. Bone Fist. Okay. Wait, that's a bet. Yay! 2 people got 69 points amongst themselves. You guys are happy about that game. Yippee! 69. Not doing Cave of Ordeals, what the fuck? What? Oh fuck, I forgot about these idiots. Oh! Fuck on. There we go. I'm like, oh, forgot about this. Okay. Okay. Now I can warp here. Cool. Death Road. Bitch. I'm safe. Havel's leggings. I would love to move faster, please. Let's go faster. Oh. Poe here? Holy fuck. There's like 3 Poes in this bitch. The hell? There's a Poe right there. Okay. Well, there's 2 in there. I guess is this. Oh, I found a post though. Alright. Oh, what the fuck? Oh! Oh my god, please. What the frick? What? Brother, oh my god, dude. Healing. What? Oh my god. Dude. Fuck, I suppose, dude. This game is actually stupid, bro. Like, Jesus Christ. I don't want to lose my fairy to that bullshit. Well, seeing as I'm here, I can just donate real quick. Should have 15, right? Last 72. I have enough for 1 potion. I potentially needed that. At least that's out of the way. I just need the money to buy the magic armor check. Okay. Oh my god. Excuse me. Yeah, if I have to blow up the Rockstars and tank some hits. I mean, it's not so bad if I tank it as People Link. For sure, I literally hit the damn Poe, but it didn't work because I bonked. So dumb. Yeah. Dunk. See me? Very Dancy Bone Macarena remix, by the way. I also find it interesting too, like, if you don't listen to some things, like, carefully, it sounds really close. Which I'm really, like, impressed about. We got some music wizards. Nice space roll. How many fuck ass poses are in here? Holy shit. Wow, I can do that so much easier with all the room. Slater. Imagine that. Trombone. Hell yeah, dude. Okay, Desert. So far, Desert has gotten us a lot of lore. I'm still almost halfway to checks. So many checks, dude. Hello. Hi. 2 to 5. I will figure that out. Gamers. Okay. Gamers, I'm back. Hi. Do you need the car later?
No, I'll come back maybe in 1 hour.
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm just kind of because and then
Okay.
1 hour.
Okay. Have fun, bye. Thanks, Simmer. I just killed a bug. I was walking around, I'm like, ugh. Brother, ugh. Uh-oh. The squad's pulling up. Oh my god. Idiot. You're not getting that fuck-ass boar. Idiot. What? Dude, this game is made in a cave. Huh. Huh. Yeah. Oh my god, the curve is so bad. There. God freaking. Hey, let's go. That's good. Got a pig. Oh, that's 3 checks right there. Oh. Why this beacon? Ether. And hidden weapon. Oh, fucking a pig. Oh my god, there's just a fire as fuck. Bam. Oh, I cancelled the fall. Gaming. He's insane. Let's do this. Less annoying. Ember. Hey. Hey, what? No, I missed the pole. Fuck. Wrong way. No, go back. Want the pole. Oh, I could start Arbitr's grounds like quite a bit actually, because I can see pose, and therefore I can kill the bigger ones. Fuck, dude. Oh my god. No! Man. Fuck. I don't give a fuck. I will go all the way back for it. Like, that is so stupid. I just hate being the fuck-ass wolf, dude. Didn't kill them. He hit a wall again. God. All the way to the back for another fairy. I don't care. I am not losing my run. Now that I have access to this forbidden information. Better be there again. I'm going to be kind of pretty upset. Monkey. I came to visit the monkeys. The blessing of the monkeys, dude. Move, bitch. It was like, what, 2-3 minute detour? Yes, this also confirms in my mind we're not doing the desert without a good amount of health. This is okay amount of health. But no less. Especially if I have a wolf. God. Thank you. Let's warp out of here. You see, gamers, big brain strats. Oh. Hello. Alright, hi home, I'm coming. Okay, 1 sec. Coming. Ugh. Hold on, gamers, I'll be right back.
holiday.
Yes.
I'm gonna
Man,
die.
I don't know.
I'm gonna die.
Gamers, Jackson to die.
I need this wig. I got this wig, right?
Yeah.
And I thought it was okay.
Mm-hmm.
But then that's how I was making it.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's a little too yellowish.
It's yellowish.
It's supposed to be bluish.
You have to spray paint it then? There. Oh, hell no. Oh my god. Yeah. I think you should paint yourself a nap. And I'll wake you up. Do not kill yourself. I'll set an alarm so I can wake you up. Let me change time of day because more pose. Okay, I know for sure there's like some goons in here. Oh yeah, imagine that. It works because I have no wall to bonk on. And it's attic bomb for my shovels. It's the only pole around here, so I'm gonna switch back for now. I'm gonna pull out the entrance. Move, bitch. Why are you taunting? Ugh. Open the damn chest. We'll get you. Got him. Shade Soul, hey, it's really good. Oh yeah, dude. Hell yeah, dude. Our damage shocks are going up so quick now. Okay, how many checks do I have, man? 53 left. It's a bunch of dungeon ones. Yeah! What a fuck, Poe. Give me your soul. Basin of Vows. Oh, God. Well, I think Dark Souls 3 is now completely open to check. Well, actually, that's a lie. I still need an emote to enter a certain area. Aggressive Master Sword! Yes, dude! Oh, okay, the desert had extreme stocks, dude. What the fuck? Nah, Dark Souls 3 is like 90% open now. This one, I just can't access this one area. my god, what the fuck? Oh. Oh. Brother. Let him. I can. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, bugs, what the fuck? Ow. This ugly ass Poe, dude. What? Oh, right. Forgot I have to wait for it to solidify. Okay. I learned the Poe scent. I know what the smelly ass fucking ghosts smell like now. Idiot. Golden banana. Power Star. I'm gonna do this. Rancid egg. Alright. See you. Those rats. Idiot. What do I do? Get down there, I forget how. Huh? No. No. Mm-hmm. Okay, bye. What the f- Okay, I think there's a place I can dig. Well, I'm trying to remember this fuck-ass dungeon. I can dig here. Oh. Hi, Andrew. What up, gamer? Welcome, welcome. How doing? There we go. That's how we turn it. I'm like, mood. Brother. I'm not using a finishing blow on those idiots anymore. Oh, it's a read at night. I don't know. I don't want to know how much it hurt, dude. Die, idiot. Oh my god. I'll probably do like 4 hearts. What should I do? Oh, well, I can't get out without doing that, so yes. Or can I? Give me your soul. Hell yeah. Okay. It's 2 down. Need 2 more pulls. Is this again? Is there a dickhead running around? Hold on. What the fuck? I'm not going for the finish. Oh! Hey. Oh! In the hurry. I don't know if I can do this or not. This one. Not really. Don't really do that. Don't touch me, you burning fuck. A Gaia belt? Don't really need it. Thank God. Okay. Out. Here's the pole. Oh God. I want this fucking L, dude. See you. Bruh. Oh, I blocked it. Holy shit. Oh. There we go. Wait, did I get anything? Wow, versus Baruda. Okay. Oh God. Oh, these stupid ghosts. More. Get off me, dickhead. What about the ghost? What about the ghost rats? You fucker. Nice. Oh, no. What the fuck? Dude jumped so high up at me. Oh, dude. Dude, fuckers are jumping so high up. Or same for now. Okay. Bye-bye. Let's come? No. Nice. I want to bust and shoot him. Okay. Fuck am I on the map? Oh, okay. That's it? I guess so. I think this is the one that clones itself. Yeah. What? Oh my god. Oh. Oh. My last song? Please hold. Okay. Yes. That was Telling the Truth from Apollo Justice Ace Attorney. And this is all DK64 sound font. Where's my map? Hell yeah. Objection. I have 3 hearts left. How the fuck did that happen? I need to use a pot. Obviously can't go there. Oh, bye. The fuck? So what the fuck? Was it blow us up or something? No. When I get to it. That's that. The fuck? There it goes. I'm like, hmm? No. Hello, Bubble. The rat's here. I hear rats. These fuck ass rats, dude. Oh, there they are. That's you. He's screaming their lungs out in the other room, Jesus. Oh, good. One of these rooms. Bye. the fuck? Oh, we walked away. There you go. Yeah. Good God, all the bugs, dude. Oh! Fudge. Okay. I think this is as far as I go in the dungeon. Because I obviously don't have spinner. I don't want to do this, boss. Oh my god. Oh, I need to see him. Nice. Oh, I'm being raided. Niflis, hello. What up, gamers? So I'm in a fight right now. Please hold. Welcome in, gamers. How are you? How's the stream? Oh, how are you guys doing? What am I supposed to do? Shoot him? I'm supposed to shoot him. Following again? No. Hope not. I don't think it is. I put on just in case. It's like, I'm pretty sure it was off, but I'm just gonna double off it. There we go, gamers. Man, I know the ads have to stop in a sec. I'm sorry. Yes, hello friends. I hope you're streaming well, Netflix. Can we get a shout out? Yeah, I'll do it. There. I did it twice. Okay, where was I? Am I supposed to shoot him? Damn. Oh! That's fine. Somebody's seeing me freezing error? Oh god. Oh, I can't see him. It's weird. What? Bruh. I hate Wolfling so much. Hey, is it working now? There we go. What? Bruh. You're still alive. Hey. We killed this idiot. Yes. What are you up to, gamer? What are y'all doing? I'm still doing my stupid multi-world thingamajig. If anyone's curious, yeah. Any new people in here curious? There you go. That's what I'm doing. We do dumb shit like this all the time here. So I had to like make sure that thing didn't own me. And a potion, cool. Actually, no, I don't have to quit out. I have Uku. Why can't I use Uku here? The fuck? I guess you are quitting out. I mean, do I want to do anything else? I could check Lake Bed. Lake Bed has quite a bit of checks. So make sure not to pick up Uku in the Lake Bed Temple, or else it erases my Uku here. See me, guys. Why did TP leave the game? The fuck? What do you mean it left the game? It's DC randomly. It's fine. Hope I'm not DCing. Okay, I'm like, excuse me. Right. All I'm hoping for is I do not find an ice trap. All I need is Zora armor on. I'll just swap armor real quick just so I don't get killed. Is the door open? Yeah, it is. Hey, this is why I have the ferry too. The ferry will save me from my straps, at least. And then I need to go. I need to figure out where I need to go next. I mean, Bomberman got some stuff. I can just check Bomberman real quick. Do not shock me, or your mom's a hoe. I can refill my healing. Swoop. Thank you. Alright, thank God. Can you? Aerial sweep is nice. Castle Tiny Hen. Ow. There's a couple things I can do here, but not a lot, because I don't have iron boots. Yeah, it's iron boots actually. If I had iron boots, I could full clear this. Oh yeah, I can't do too much. I need bomb arrows. I ain't close enough. Can I hook shot over there? That's in logic. Wait. I know what else I can do. Fuck. Oh my god. Bro. Oh my god. I'm just... yeah, fuck this. What if we just left? It's taking too much brain power. I'm wasting so many bombs that I do not have. Let me check some of these, like, what else can I do? I could go to Snow Peak. Fast warping, let's go. I'll be up here. Oh, there's a Temple of Time thing I can do. I can start Temple of Time. I can look peek in Snow Peak. Peek in Snow Peak. You buy bombs. Let me swap one of those. Okay, we go for bombs. Bombs. And then I'll peek into Temple of Time really quick. Then I'll check Snow Peak. Easy stuff. Move chicken. Okay, 15 water bombs. Good to know. Going back to crafting mines again, yeah? What you up to in the crafting of mines? Is that arrow of this year of the year? Yay. Wanna build your house? Oh, the pot's there. Oh my god. I do not want to do that right now. Magic Spin was behind that. Oh yeah, I can't walk here. I have to actually, you know, leave. Ugh. Oh. Oh God. Forgot about this. What? What? Oh, they're getting like, okay.
Yeehaw!
Yeehaw! Is this a yeehaw moment? Alright. Whee! What the fuck? Dunk. Meow. Oh my Lord, have mercy. What the fuck is this? Blizzard? What? Oh, I need ball and chain. Right, I wasted a bunch of bombs. Right. Ooh. How many pumps do I have now? Oh, excuse me guys, holy fuck. Sorry. Oi, open it. Fucking dogs. What? Oh god. Oh. Over heal just in case. Why is it out of logic? I can just kill him and grab it. Yeah, hello. I got my pumpkin. No. You're in too much of it, right? Yeah. Let's top off and just grab some pumpkin soup. Good soup. What? can kill him because I have the claw shot. Yeah. Hello? Grab it. Fucking dog. This is hinted. What is here? Baboon Blast. Dude, let's go. More monkey stocks. Got him. Oh god, he's gonna hurt me. Oh my god. Alright, you have the good soup. You have the good soup. Oh my god, he threw it at me, what the fuck? Hey! Imagine that, the boss is easy as fuck when you have the stuff you need for it. Yeah, you that deserves a taunt. Dream mail. I can't actually get the chest there. Get stuff on the side. Oh, what the fuck? Oh my. Got him. Please. Touch me. Egg. Okay. Still enough on. Only 31%. It's still enough on sparks yet, by the way. Where's the sparks at? Not there's a lot to do in Spire right now. Like 85, I guess? That's okay amount. Where's the sparks at, bro? Again there. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Wait. Oh. Okay. Nice. That's not a lot of stuff, dude. It's fine. Is that everything I need in here? Oh, I think I'll pull outside. Yeah. And 200 checks in TP, it's kind of crazy. Like collected, I mean. We're nearly halfway done with the amount of checks we have. 34%, huh? I thought I did a lot in this game. It's just a slog to get checks. I'm gonna grab that Poe. And I think I am done with TP. I'll do some barman checks here because I'm running out of time. Aye, bro. What the fuck? Hey, Poe fuck. Okay. Let's get the fuck out of here. Alright, that was... My fucking ex took the 8 red kids? Excuse me? Huh? I'm missing important information here. I recommend a Blue Sky tweet note if you just got... That's funny. Wait, what? Oh, that's not the tracker. I'm trolling. Okay, Bomberman has some stages I can do. We'll make these checks the last bit for the day. Bomberman hero. Mamma mia. Okay. Bro. Oh. Geochest? Okay. Got him. Oh. Ow. Let's see when I'm avoiding these. Hello? Oh. What? Oh, was I in this arm hitbox? I'm like, what hit me? Egg power star.
Good job.
Death Road is here? Yeah. I have 19 attic. Holy shit, wait a minute. I need 5 more attic bumps to be able to go mode on Bomberman. Hell yeah, dude. Another go. There's 2 games very close to go mode. If I get go mode in Dark Souls, I need to farm it. Or at least I need to find more like healing checks. Undead bone shards, Estus shards. Any more of those? I do have my late game weapon, which is nice. need those. Don't want a mishap happening for me trying to get those idiots. So mishaps. Okay. I love a vest. Where's a vest at? Nice. Death Temple? Hmm. Huh. Went backwards, I guess. I don't want to do this now. Construction job site seed? Oh. Let me do I forgot to do Bruta. I've had Bruta twice, actually. Why is he avoiding me, dude? You? Ew. Ow. Oh, I'm literally in his dick. I need to damage you. Yeah, I was like, fuck it, I need to damage him, doesn't matter. Hey. 5 Baruda.
Good job.
I don't feel like doing Death Temple right now. I don't know, something about it. I feel like Death Temple is one of those levels where like, it's still fine, but it stresses me out. I don't have to do it. What? Okay, I'm like, It's 105 right now. What? That idiot. Wait a minute. See him jumping? It's crazy. I don't even know. They just sit there like stunned because the thing's not properly showing its stun frames. Well, that guy's just gone. Okay. Probably the rain. Donald Fantasia. That's great. Your brother. I'm gonna kill you, dumbass. Progressive key to Mario. Okay, maybe tomorrow I'll start doing Mario. Because I now have access to the upstairs. Hell yeah, dude. Fight. What's his face real quick? Hell yeah, dude. Alright, Boss Room 5. Why is it on? Actually, I'm glad it's on Logic. Like, why is Boss Room 5 not on Logic? I know why Boss Room 6 is, because fuck that fight. Hello! Oh. Like, no health. Forgot. The second thought, I'm not doing this with low health. Okay. Gamers, I'm done. I must attend to my real life duties. Unfortunately. Sucks to be you. Yeah. It is what it is. Well, I'm gonna rate Pixel. Yeah, tomorrow I might just check Mario first, because why not? Why not? Happy 34%, hell yeah. I'm gonna delete this and return it. Okay, gamers, see you later.